Review and follow precautions. Press the power button to put the server in standby. Disconnect the power cord from the server. Remove the access panel. Lift fans 3 and 4 off of the mounting pins in the fan bay and out of the chassis. Grasp the air baffle between fan bays 3 and 4 and lift it out of the chassis. Disconnect the battery cable from the system board. Pull back on the battery retention latch and lift the battery up and out of the chassis. With the power cable facing the rear of the server, tow the battery into the slot of the chassis pan. Push the battery down until the retention latch snaps into place. Connect the battery cable to the system board. Slide the fan air baffle onto the mounting pins between fan bays 3 and 4. Ensure that the power cable passes only through the notch in the air baffle. Slide the fans onto the mounting pins in fan bays 3 and 4. Ensure they are fully seated on the system board fan connector.